Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. Today I'm going to show you how to import Coinbase wallet to Metamask. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to import Coinbase wallet to Metamask, first, you'll need to copy the 12-word recovery phrases from your Coinbase wallet and paste it in your Metamask wallet. In order to do that, open up your Coinbase wallet app from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged in, go to the settings button at the lower right-hand corner. Click on the recovery phrase button and you'll be able to show up your recovery phrases. Tap on copy to clipboard and now launch open your Metamask wallet app. If you've not downloaded Metamask wallet yet, first make sure you do that, and once you open up Metamask wallet, you'll be able to see this interface. Click on import using secret recovery phrase, and now right where you can see secret recovery phrase button at the top, paste in the recovery phrases into the text box. Soon after you do that, you'll need to set a new password for your Metamask wallet. Type in the password you'd like to set and confirm it on the next field by retyping it again. Finally, tap on import at the bottom, and that way you'll be able to import Coinbase wallet to Metamask. Tap on done and this will be your main interface. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.